Hi everyone, subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell to never miss a video from the Chelsea Flower Show 2024. The best information and stunning visuals will be available on our channel. Follow and support us. The very best gardens in the RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024. Crowds gather at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show come rain or shine every year to see the beautiful displays bursting with gorgeous blooms and architecturally magnificent installations. If you have already secured a ticket for this year's famed gardening exhibition, here's a sneak peek of what to expect while walking the grounds in the Chelsea Royal Hospital. For those who have already looked around the RHS Chelsea Flower Show in 2024, take these stunning pictures to be a reminder of the beautiful horticultural masterpieces that are on display this year. And for people who may not go to the gardening show this week, here are some of the best gardening displays that must not be missed. From attention-grabbing statues to sanctuary gardens and Roman-inspired enclosures, take a look at the very best at the RHS Chelsea Flower Show 2024.